I'm driving the company Ford service van, and I got a flat today, and I want to show those who are not experienced like myself with this car how to change the flat tire. Just a quick video. So you open the rear doors, and of course it's obvious, you will see the jack on the left hand side. So there is a screw that you have to undo, the screw that is holding the jack. You take that one out, and also there is a lever or a pry bar. And now the spare, you access it through this cap. So the rear of the car, there's a cap here. You have to open this one, and using this type of key, an Allen key of your wrench or your tool, like a tire tool, wheel tool, you undo it. So counterclockwise, and that is going to release a cable. So once you release that cable, the wheel is going to touch the ground. Pull it towards you, and there is a kind of a locking mechanism here. So you see that bolt here is being held by this one. So you have to undo this one counterclockwise. You undo this nut until this locking device falls out of that hole. But now this one is hanging on a cable, so what you do, you pull this way. I have to hold the camera with one hand, and you see the way it is, and pull it out, and this one falls, and now you have the wheel that's free. And you take this device, this wrench, and you have to remove the wheel cover. So for that you use the tip, which is a plastic tip or a attachment attached to this this tool. So you put it on the top, it's one hand operation for me. I can't say it's pouring rain, but it's nice rain, and it's a good time to change the wheel. So with this one you pry the wheel cover, then access the nuts, loosen the nuts. But the problem with the jack, so let's say if the front wheel is flat, this whole frame or the whole car is sitting very close to the ground, so you don't have enough clearance to insert the jack. So what you do, you take the jack and put it away, closer to the inflated tire, slide it underneath, and slide it towards your flat tire wheel, right? So, but you have to make sure you put the jack on the indicated points which are labeled on the jack, or you will see some sort of a marks here on the undercarriage. So make sure you don't rely on a plastic trims and fender or anything like that. So you will see a lip, so it has two kind of notches or marks, and use those, and you see how it's set. And you remove the nuts, take the wheel, put the new wheel, tighten it in diagonal if you can. So this one, then this one, then this one, then this one, you know, it's easy. And lower the jack, tighten again, put the cover, take the jack out, and easy peasy, right? So like a 30 seconds job. If you are fast enough, yes, I think so. Yeah, that's a joke.